For maths today, we are going to be like the doctors and nurses who give out the pills to make people better. Do you remember Miss Molly had a dolly who was sick? She called for the doctor to come quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked at the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at Miss Polly and he shook his head and he said, Miss Molly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on his paper for a pill. He'll be back in the morning. Yes, he will. Will? With a bill. So he wrote for some pills for that poor little dolly. So we're going to do some counting today. And I just had a look around, see what we could use in our nursery. You can have a look around your house, see if you've got any little tubs or little bottles even. But remember what I said about pills. Do you remember what I said? We must never ever touch real pills, only grown-ups, okay? Because they might look like sweets sometimes, but they might not be. So we don't ever put anything in our mouths unless our grown-ups have said we can eat something. It might be food or maybe a treat now and again. But if you think, ooh, that looks like a sweet, it might not be. It might be a pill. Remember, we don't go near pills. They can make us very, very poorly if we have too many. And also, if you haven't been told to take them by your doctor, they can make you poorly then as well. So make sure if you see anything and you're not quite sure what it is, don't ever put it in your mouth, okay? It's a bit like when we go to forest school, I say no pick, no lick. So that's another rule in your home. No touching pills or medicines, only the grown-ups, and they will give them you if they think you need them, or if the doctor has told you need them as well. Okay, right, so this is all about counting though. So we're going to practice our counting. And the more we practice, the better we become. So before we do anything, I'm going to move that out of the way. Good. I've got a number fan today. Right, so we start off by saying our numbers in order. Do you think we can do that? Yes, and maybe I can show you the numbers as we say them this time. Sometimes we clap and count. Sometimes we roll our fingers out. We might do that in a minute. But first of all, I'm going to show you the numbers and then we can say them in order. So that's a 0. We don't tend to look at that one as much because sometimes we don't need that one when we're counting. Because 0, what does 0 mean? 0 means none. Show me none. That's right, that means none. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've just said our numbers all the way to 9 and we looked at what they look like when they're written down as well. Okay, so now our pill pots. The doctor has to decide how many pills you might need, and each pill, usually they tell you how many is in the bottle or in the tub. So I have just found some little tubs. Now these are our glue tubs, okay, but you could use yogurt pots, old yogurt pots, any size yogurt pots. You could use bottles that are empty, even little boxes if you've got any boxes, but you can decide. Or if you've got little bags, remember we don't usually play with bags, but if you're grown-ups with you, you can use bags to count in, but it needs a label on it if it's a bag, so you might need stickers to go on the front and write the numbers on. Okay, so I'm going to show you my little pill pots. Here we go. Now each pill pot's got a number on it. When you see the number, can you shout it at me? What's that number? That's right, it's number 1. That means all we need to count in this pill pot is 1. I'm going to put it there. Right, now what can I use to be my pills? We're not having real pills because we don't want to waste them. They're for poorly people. Let's pretend. What can I use? I could use some Play-Doh and make the little pills. I've got some blue tack here, but you could use Play-Doh, and it's good for your fine motor skills to roll, squeeze a ball to make it into a little shape like a pill. There's a pill. You could use those. Need lots of them, so you'd have to make them all first, maybe. I'm going to roll, roll, roll. Woo! Look, it's fun to roll our little Play-Doh or our blue tack, whatever you've got at home. If you haven't got Play-Doh or blue tack, you could use buttons. If you've got any buttons, you could use, if you've got any little marshmallows, you could use those. If you have got any sweetie treats, some people do. If you haven't, if you've got raisins, they could be your little pills. What else is tiny and small? You could use some beads, if you've got any beads for necklace making. You could use Rice Krispies or some other cereals that are round, like Cocoa Pops, because they don't have to be white, they can be any colour. And sometimes pills are all different colours. So I've made lots and lots down here of little blue tack pills. But I looked around the nursery before. I found some little pegs. These could be our pretend pills. So I'm going to use some of those as well to count the pills out. Okay, it's ready to count. Show me on your fingers, children. 1. Can you show me so I know how many to put in? Let me see. You just showed me 1. Fantastic. Let's have a look if I can count 1 into my pill pot. Here's my 1 pill pot. I'm going to count a blue 1 in. Ready? Can you hear it drop? 1. I did it. There's 1. 1 inside. Mrs. Nolan's very clever. Right, so I'm going to find another number now. Let's see. Oh, what's that number? Shout the number at me. What number is it? I'll not put spots underneath to help you today. It's number 2. Well done. Can you show me 2 fingers so I know how many 2 looks like? Let me have a look. Ooh, is that 2? Well done. 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to use 2 little Play-Doh pills this time. Here they are. I've got 1, 2. 2 pills in my pill pot. There we go, 2. Right, next one, I'm going to find a different number for my pill pot. Let me see which number I'm finding. Ooh, what's that number, children? Shout it at me. What number is it? Yay, it's number 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way we make a 3. There's number 3. Can you show me 3 fingers? Show me 3. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 fingers, so I know now what 3 looks like. Ooh, I'm going to use yellow ones. I'm going to find yellow little pegs. We're going to count. Can you help me as I drop them in? 1, 2, 3. In they go. There's 3. And there's 3 in my pill pot. Okay, next number. So these numbers are telling me how many pills I need in my pill pot. How many do I need to put in for this pill pot? It's telling me the number is 4. That's number 4. Can you show me 4 fingers so I know what number 4 looks like? Can you show me 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what 4 looks like. Well done. I'm going to use these this time. This is the little blue tack. Can you help me count them in? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 in my pill pot, and it says 4 there. Oh, Mrs. Nolan's very good at counting today. That's because you're helping me. Well done, everyone. Right, okay, so we've got 4. Let's see what number I'm going to show you next. Ooh, what's that number on my pill pot? How many is it telling me to count into here? Do you know that number? That's right, it's number 5. Can Can you show me 5 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. Well done. There's 5 now. I need 5 pills to go in my pill pot. Let me see if I've got 5. I'm going to have red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put 5 in. Can you see? There's 5 in there. And I've got a number 5 outside because that's how many it told me to put in my next pill pot. Well done for helping me, children. Right, let's see which number I'm going to choose next. What is that number? That's right, it's number 6. Oh, it's getting more and more. I'm going to choose a green one this time. Can you help me count them in? Actually, I don't really know what 6 looks like. Can you show me 6 on your fingers? Ready? Now you might need another hand with some more fingers for this one. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did need another hand, so that's what 6 looks like. Okay, I can count them now. Will you help me? As you hear them drop, count them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 in my number 6 pill pot. Wow. Clever Mrs. Nolan. Right, number. Which one's next? Oh, these are getting the big numbers now. What number is that one? That's right, it's number 7. 7 is a big number. Can you show me 7? I don't know what 7 looks like. Show me 7 fingers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what 7 looks like. 7. Right, I'm going to use this time. I'm going to use some more of this special glue tack. Right, see if I've got 7. Okay, can you help me? Hear them drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 in my number 7 pill pot. Whoa, dropped it. There they are, all huddled together. Right, next number. What's this number? Looks like a snowman. Number 8. 8 looks like a snowman. Number 8. Can you show me 8 on your fingers? Show me 8, everyone. Oh, it's a big number, this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's what 8 looks like. I know now. I'm going to count 8 into my tub here. I think I'm going to count blue ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 goes in. Number 8 pill pot. In they go. Oh, look, it's getting more and more. They're full now, nearly. Right, okay, we've got another number. What's that number? Oh, if I put it that way, it's like number 6. But it's not. It's that way up. It's number 9. Can you show me 9 fingers? Put them to 0. Ready, roll them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what number 9 looks like. That's the amount. 9. Right, it's got none in it at the moment. And we're running out of all our pegs, so we might need some more little pills made out of blue tack with my roly fingers. Okay, so we want 9. We just counted 9 fingers. It's a much bigger number. So let me see. Now we might have to have all different coloured pills in this pill pot because I have got some different coloured pegs left. So we shall have a little look. And we'll see if we've got enough here. Are you ready? Can you help me count them? Listen for them drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all we need. I nearly did one more then. 9 in there. So we did have enough that time. Now I've run out of little glue pots. So on this yogurt pot, it becomes a pill pot. And it's got the biggest number on it. What is that number? Can you see? A 1 and a 0. That means it's 10. Can you show me 10 fingers? It's a lot. Are you ready? A big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all my fingers, 10. Can you help me count? Now I'm going to have some little blue tack pills in this one. Listen for them drop. Can we still see the number? Ooh, just about. If I move them that way, you can see the number now, can't you? If I just move it up a little bit as well. There's number 10. Right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, that was a lot of pills to count in there. But we're all ready now to go and help people to get better. Now go and give some to Miss Molly for a little dolly. Just like the doctor said, he'll write on a paper for some pills, pills, pills. And here we have them. Okay, so remember what I said, you mustn't touch pills. Only pretend. We're pretending here. Don't put anything in your mouth that your grown-up hasn't said you can. Okay, I want to keep you safe. So, phew, I feel like a doctor now. I'm going to go and get up Miss Molly's dolly. All better. Off I go. Right, you can go and make some pill pots now and have a go at counting whatever you can find. Might be raisins. That's a good one to count. Count them into your pill pots when you've made some. Can you take some photographs and send me them? And make your number labels even. You can have a go at writing number labels. You can stick a number label on the front. I just stuck those numbers on. But you could write your own number label. That would be fun. And maybe draw that many on the front as well so we can see how many is in your pill pot. Okay, so go and have a go at counting. Have a little practice and have lots of fun.